When the children arrive in the morning, they will greet their teacher, and the teacher will invite them to choose something that they would like to work with. Children have the choice of choosing to work by themselves if they want to work independently, or they can work with a group or a partner.
A 3-year-old might be going to practical life, and they'll be doing like boring exercises. And there might be another 4-year-old coming in, maybe building, or maybe working with the geometrical shapes. Or maybe a 5-year-old might be doing language work. So it's allowing the children to follow in their interests.
In Montessori, we talk about having a 3-hour work cycle, and the 3-hour work cycle is an opportunity for students to work across various curriculum areas during an uninterrupted period of time of work. Children will choose work independently, they will place their things back where they belong, they will make a decision about taking a break, and they'll also go back to work quite independently.
Practical life is all the skills you need to be more independent. It goes from pouring a glass of water to zip up your jacket, button up your cardigan. We're doing also some sewing.
Multi-age environments in Montessori are very intentional. Younger children have the opportunity to learn through observation, and often you will see the younger children watching what the older children are doing or the lessons that they're learning from the teacher.
That's the beauty of having the children in the same classroom for 3 years. Their independence and the way how they work together. Quite often it's like, how do you make them do that? Why are they all beautifully walking around and helping each other and looking after the environment where they sweep, clean after themselves? So because they see each other.
So they come out of these environments with a strong sense of self and a deep knowledge that they're able to solve their own problems and that they're capable young people.